So here we have the Ford Fiesta on a 20 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer. In the middle at the bottom, we have the fuel gauge and coolant temperature gauges. And above that, you can see a digital readout for the speedometer. You can change the information displayed there using buttons on the steering wheel, which I'll show you in just a second. Up in that top left-hand corner are the total miles for this car, which is 7,773. Let's say you can change that information displayed there. We've got various menus from navigation, audio, phone, vehicle settings, trip computer, and then back round to the beginning again. And the buttons that I was using to do that are just here. Beneath which we have stereo controls. They continue over on the left-hand side with cruise control and speed limiter. Over in the center, we have the touchscreen for the car. So this is where you can pair up your phone, hit add phone.
Search for your vehicle on your device and select it once it is found.
And then follow the instructions from there. We can go back to the home screen. You'll see this car's got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on our website and on our YouTube channel. And then in terms of the ways we can listen to music in this car, we have AM, FM and DAB radio. You can stream your music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. This car also has two separate USB inputs, so if you plug devices into those, they will appear up on here as further options for you. Working our way down, we have the volume for the stereo just there. We then have the climate control, so you can adjust the temperature. You can turn the system on and off from down there as well. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine what direction you'd like the air to be distributed in. When you're happy with those settings, this button turns the air conditioning off or back on again, or just hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperature you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you. You can override that whenever you wish to. This car's also got a heated driver seat and heated passenger seat, a heated front screen and a heated steering wheel as well. Below that, we have one of the two USB inputs I mentioned, along with a 12-volt charging socket, 6-speed manual gearbox. And then these buttons here, you can put the car in eco mode, you can turn the traction control off, and this button turns off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.